Alright, let's do a slow roll at it. Let's start to kind of find that rhythm here as we're rolling past turn 4. You're falling down that curve and you're riding it down to the left side here. And then at this point, auto's in 5th, manual's in 4th, start up to turn 5. Braking very gently here. 4th gear there on it. And as we're bouncing here, we're off the brakes. Just a little bit of track out wide before we ease off to throttle steer. And get our right front over to that curving nice and early. Now left front's getting right up to that white line there again, Jen. Good. Braking a light for long here, approaching 6 spaceship side window there, good, easing off that brake, patience with the power now, make sure we're happy with that direction before squeezing back down, back looking right, shift that vision a little sooner here too, Ken, looking back left side already, good, finding that turning cone for 9, find all the way up there, a little bit of power, back to firm brake, 3rd gear, looking right, slow hands here to 9, we want to try to get this corner a little bit later. Now we unwind that wheel out wide to that white line, good. 4th gear looking right. A little bit of balance braking if you need be. Right down to our curving for 10. That's great curvy assist there, kid. You feel how much gripper is down there, too. You don't get more bags in that section. 4th gear, glancing left. And those eyes off my bumper there, good. As we scan up ahead, try to find that exit. Don't be afraid to use some track up here. Now full power here, kid. Back left 9. Braking nice and early down to 3rd. Right, looking up the hill, and then using that hill to compress as we climb up top. Far left side, straighten it up for the drop. Again, not really focused on that curving to our right. Don't need to get right on it there, just going to get bypassing. Ease off the brake, let it turn, be patient to a point. Light power can squeezing down hard down the hill there, good. Good work, too, Gabby. Just brake pressure here. You see, I hear a little bit more speed. And now, see how it kind of flows me out wide, forces me out to get a nice straight approach. Try to make this straight line as long as we can in that Z06 there. Good, keep full power here, headed up to 6. Light brakes, glancing left. Smooth hands here as we wrap around. And keep that left front over to that curving a little bit longer. That makes this next race a little bit easier on us. Then you can carry more speed without having to use as much steering input. Good. Balance back left for 8. And then here through 9, remember, really late turn in, starting slow with the hands, try to wrap around that curving at the end. Good, now get those hands straight on exit, squeezing down hard, good. It's easy to start cracking that throttle a little quick out of these airplanes. Remember, it's not when we hit the gas, it's when we can start accelerating, down to the floor pretty aggressively. So try to be patient for that as we're balancing, staying out wide, scanning up left. Crossing over, straddling this line here. There you go, bring it in, Ken, bring it in. There you go, now we're pointing out, accelerate hard out wide. Use the brake shot, good. Back left side, carrying that brake all the way to that apex, trying to get down to that curving there. Just aiming for the end of the curving, it's a good target. Just keep those eyes moving back there, Tim. Light brake balance, off the brakes. Power back across to the left side here. Full power there, kid. Full power. Gentle braking here. And you can see my right side tires. Can I get near that curving to the right? There you go. And let it flow out wide. Good. Little throttle steer to get that car pointed. Heavy throttle up across the left. A little more, a little more. Good, good. Try a little lighter brake for longer here in the 6. And as the brake lights come off here, Ken, I'm just letting the car point, just letting it get down to our curving, that way back to power right there. Stay the gas, and then here just use that light brake, good, good. And try to back up our engine speed a little bit more this time. I want you to brake a little bit earlier here for 9. That way we can really maximize this drive off. I want us getting those hands straight nice and early too. Bring it in, bring it in. Now get those hands straight there. Power, power. Looked a little early back there, a little bit of an early apex there in 9 from my 2 drivers. Power out wide. It's really exaggerated too in 9. That really late apex power. Imagine like we're pulling a trailer, hauling a big boat there, squaring off our corner now, bringing it down. Good, good. On line, squeezing down, relaxing those hands, relaxing those fingers there, guys. Staying left side, third gear. Turn that head there. There you go, looking up the hill. Aggressive power right there. Go, go, go. Nice job. Good again. Easing off, nice little straightaway. Power it down towards that turn in. A little bit of brake here. Brakes are off. Just coasting. Let it turn. All right, great couple laps here. Very precise there, Ken. Nice job. Let's do a quick rotation. All right, well done. You'll hang tight for the 14 white car. And Jim, looked like we were starting to get in a little bit late back there for ego check for turn 1. Let's make sure we're seeing that turn in time. Turning that head nice and early here. All right, Abby, here's where we're using that throttle steer. Load that front. Make a nice straight line here from right to left. Left side turns out wide. Good, good. And just right in my tire tracks here for 6. Using some track out wide. Patient right here. That way, this is where we get it pointed. Like where your head's at. Steering left. Looking right. Looking right. There you go. Steering back to the right side. Scanning for that next green sleeve. Slow the front end with some light brakes. Good. Back left side. Like that momentum. Here down to third. And this is where we kind of give up some speed to get a little bit better run off. So just try to make up a few car lengths there, Abby, on entrance. You'll end up putting a few on exit there. So don't try to beat me into the corner. Try to kind of set that up a little bit more. Looking good though here. Like our momentum. Heading up to 1 now. Light brakes. Light, light, light. Smoothing into your cue now. Those brake lights. Side window there. Find that apex. I'll be looking at my bumper now. There you go. Now unwind. Power out wide. Good. Nice and smooth. Back left side. Early braking third gear. Smoothing in on the way in. Trying to knock that cone over there for 2. Good. Power up the hill. Good. Fourth gear. All right. Right at the top of the hill. Straighten it up. Power aggressively here. A little bit of brake. Very light. Off the brakes. Good. We are heading in your direction. Squeezing back down. Good. All right. We're heading up to 6 here. Let's try to carry a little bit more speed in. Again, it'll force us out wide. A little bit of power. Off the gas. Right back to it there. Right back to it. Nice job. Good adjustment there in the middle. A lot of that throttle steer. Braking light, side window. Don't be locking in my bumper here. Finding your green sleeve. Good. As I start to near this apex, I'm already looking right. I'm already picking my eyes up to the right side. Pick that chin up. Good. Steer back right side. Yeah, good momentum here, Abby. Looking back left here for 9. And now here we got to start braking earlier. We got to start slowing it up a little bit sooner. Use that track out wide before we square this off. That's much better. You're going to hand straight a little bit sooner too. Just go a little bit more patient for your initial throttle input. That'll get it squeezing down a little bit harder. Getting this back to the floor a little bit sooner. Good hands here in the 1. Good, good, good. Side window. Ease off. Let it turn. No gas yet. Now back to power aggressively. Be a little bit more patient too. Looks like that nose is up in the air. We never really carved in towards our curbing. We're going to get a little bit of space in this group here, of course. Alright, as we get to the back here, we're going to gather our group up, and we'll make the slap up here as well. No, better approach into 9 that time. Kind of thinking, try to reference turn 9 a lot like turn 2. You know, the action is so important, and we just want to kind of back up our entrance speed so we're not quite attacking the corner. Kind of give yourself some more time with the brakes so you're not kind of getting in fast, and when the time comes you can attack the exit aggressively, especially in that third gear we're using too, just to not get kind of sucked in and end up getting in a little fast, like you said, getting in a little bit early too. Overall though, I love the momentum we're carrying through a lot of these sweepers and the S's. It's looking good. Just letting that group slow roll and get some room. Alright, same order here guys, right into turn 5. Part of it too is just getting acclimated with that brake pedal still, you know, it's so touchy and so sensitive. You know, often we're very gentle with those brakes, so we're carrying our speed out left side. And then here we're braking. See my brake lights, car straightens out, and I'm easing off the brake as I'm turning. Off, just coasting, just let it roll. Stay a little further left. Bring it back to the right. Stay a little further right before we bring it back left. Just open up our arch a little bit. Squeezing down, but bringing it back left. Slow hands as we square off our corner now. to the floor aggressively. Power, power, hard. Good. See, just like that in 2, I need to do the same thing in 9. Right onto our turn-in. A little bit of brake. You're breathing off the brake. Let it turn. Patience. There you go. Squeezing that hard. That's right in 4, too. Well done. All right, good couple laps there, Abby. Nice job. We'll do that quick rotation. Just like in 9, or excuse me, 2, how that curve, again, that apex cone is later in the curbing, trying to do that same thing, just exaggerate it a few times, where we're exiting with a wheel a little bit straighter, we can get back to that floor a little bit sooner. But again, overall, great work there. Jim, follow me there, nice job. Let's keep rolling up here into 6. And then here we're actually out right in the middle of the track. And then I do that throttle steer, that lift there, Jim, and going from right to left. There you go, just eating up that white line with those left side tires. Right in a straight line, looking left side window there. Good, good. Try to balance off and then stay into the edge of that curving at the front. There you go, good. Then here, focusing on 8, looking up ahead for 9. Relax those hands, smooth those hands out here for 9. Let's square this off, down to our curving, looking out to the left. It's right where we want to power out wide to as we see that exit. Good. Looking to the right, easing off the gas. There you go, squeezing back down. Great job in 10. I like you all over that curving. There you go, and carrying the brake lights here into 1. Easing off that brake. Side window, good. Start to tighten it up. If we can start turning a little bit sooner there in 1, just make sure we're starting smooth. We're always starting slow with those hands. It looks like it's happening a little abruptly there. Square it off. There you go, power up the hill there. That's pretty good. That was just a tad late. Now we're kind of finding that fine medium there. Powering out left side. Bouncing in. Off the brakes, let it turn. Turn it. Good, that's a great job for 4. Carrying that speed all the way up to 5. Lighter brake, lighter. There you go. Let's try to brake a little lighter for longer. I feel like I'm watching your nose really compress a lot. Watching that front end drop, it shows we're braking a lot. So let's lighten that up. Good, trust the car. Turn it in. Good. Try to square this off now. Let's turn now. Eyes up. Back to the left side, looking right. Stay light throttle through here. Good. Steering right, looking left. Let's load that right front with some brake lights. Good, that's much better in turn 8. Now get it slowed for 9. You can use all this track out here to square this off to get a good ride. See, I kind of exaggerated through there. That's great out of turn 9. Nice, Jim. Looking right. A little bit of brake if you need it. Load that left right. Power out wide. See, all that happened is that we just got a little fast into turn 10 there just because we got such a good drive off in 9. Brand new lap here, Jim. Clean slate. Let's correct it here in 1. Square it off. Use some racetrack out wide. There you go, just a little late seeing that exit. Kind of see that we're kind of a little bit focused on that green sleeve. Look up for the end of the curving. Left side tires. Watch where I'm at. Good. Right in those tire tracks. Driving out towards the turn-in. Smooth hands here. Looking across. Just easing off. Power out to that white line, Jim. Good. Off, throttle steer. Power out left side. Yeah, a little loose there as we're climbing the hill. No worries. Carry on, Jim. Looking left. Steering left, looking right. Bring it down. Steering right, looking left. Load in the front. Light brakes. There you go. Relax those hands here. To the left there. Alright, Jim, you can stay in 4th gear here as we're approaching 1. We're we're gonna start our cool down section here, cool down lap. All right, autos, they can stay in 5th gear. All right, great work here, guys. Nice shot from each and every one of you here. Good improvement throughout the day. I know you get a lot of information again here, and this is this is our most difficult track here. So also like seeing us really kind of conquer that as well. Alright, yeah, just leave it in those gears. Let's open up our spacing here. Definitely get some clean air to our car here. But no, I'll leave us some radio sounds. Can I just take it all in on this final lap here around our west track?